Thanks for joining us for another episode of About Lehigh Valley, where we love to live, work, and play. In today's episode, we're profiling the annual Gala in the Garden held here in the Healing Gardens at Good Shepherd's South Allentown campus. This wonderful fundraiser helps raise funds for the pediatric programs throughout the year.
Tonight is a fun night. We have close to 500 of our friends in the community have come here to our South Allentown campus. This is actually our signature fundraiser of the year. We do 3 big events a year. 2 of them raise funds for pediatrics. A third one raises funds for long-term care. Between the 3 events, it raises about $500,000 for Good Shepherd. Gala in the Garden started at Good Shepherd in 2008 in honor of our 100th birthday celebration. And it was really meant to be a big birthday party for Good Shepherd. And after its first year and the success it had and how much fun people had being here, we decided let's make it into a fundraising event. So in 2009, it officially became our first fundraising Gala in the Garden, raising funds for our pediatric unit. And we help children not only from the Lehigh Valley, but from beyond the Lehigh Valley. And so this event raises much needed funds to allow children and families to come there, and more importantly, to allow our clinical staff to be able to provide them with the highest level of expertise and technology to help these children get back to their lives again. Perhaps the most fun part of the night is the cocktail hour out in our gardens, our healing gardens here on our campus. Following the cocktail hour, people go into the tent for a formal program and dinner. And featuring, or the highlight of the night is when our featured pediatric family comes up and we get to tell their story of how they were helped by our pediatric unit. And then following our program, dessert is served back out in the gardens and in the Health and Technology Center, and people dance the night away. So it's a great night for Good Shepherd and a great night for the children and families at the pediatric unit. I think the sky's the limit for us. There's been a lot of change in my 11 plus years at Good Shepherd, and I would think that there would be an awful lot more change coming our way. And really our friends throughout the community, corporate friends, individuals, it all comes together and makes this a really proud night for Good Shepherd. We're just thrilled to have people here with us tonight, and we're grateful for the continued support of Good Shepherd.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, hit like, make some comments, and please share it with all your friends so we can get the word out on this great charity. I'm also going to put a link below if you'd like to donate. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of the episodes of About Lehigh Valley.